Hey guys, and welcome to another RYOutfitters First Look. I'm Matt here in the beautiful Manuel Antonio, Costa Rica, and this week we're going to take a closer look at Standard Luggage's 35-liter carry-on backpack. As the name suggests, this bad boy is a carry-on backpack with a carrying capacity of 35 liters, or about 6 baby sloths and 1 giant lawsuit for smuggling wildlife into the US. The design of the bag itself came from Standard Luggage founder Ryan Zhang, who started designing this luggage system after being faced with countless annoyances from a hiking backpack he used in his extensive travel experience. However, the last straw that pushed Ryan to actually bring this bag to life came from Canada finally charging for checked bags, and in the famous words of Hall & Oates, he exclaimed, "I can't go for that, no can do," and promptly got to work. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Taking a look at the outside of the bag on the top, we see 2 zippered pouches, one small, one large, perfect for anything you want to have quick and easy access to. You'll notice another zipper on the side here that expands the bag for those not so light packers. Opening it up, you can see how spacious it is. 35 liters is quite a bit of room to work with after all. There's compression straps here to keep your belongings stay in place and maximize space to make room for some of those extra baby sloths and, I don't know, maybe a bottle of rum or two. Beneath the top cover, there's 3 more storage pockets, 1 smaller mesh pocket, 1 medium-sized pocket, and a larger pocket underneath. Having this many storage options in one bag makes it 10 times easier to keep track of your belongings, especially when there are some items in particular that you know you might want to grab at a moment's notice. Let's flip this bag over and take a look at the bottom. Alright, so first thing you'll notice, I'm sure, is this strap here. This strap is meant to have the bag slip on the handle of any roller luggage you might take with you. A small detail, but game-changing nonetheless to consolidate some of your luggage. Moving on up, you can see this zipper here that houses backpack straps for easier carrying. The straps come out of a pouch on top and attach to these little clips on the bottom. It's as simple as that and transforms back into luggage mode just as easily. I'm sure you can see that there's a ton of padding here. Obviously adds a ton to back support and just makes it way more comfortable when you're carrying it on your back. Plus, the padding is perforated, so you get a ton of airflow just to help cool down your back a bit, keep you from getting all sweaty and gross. There are also handles on the side and top to give you a couple other carrying options in case your bag is on the heavier side. Standard Luggage does include attachable hip straps for additional support when you're in backpack mode. Obviously, you know, if you're really carrying a serious load or have a ton of souvenirs, might come in handy. I'm pretty sure everyone's faced the horrors of fumbling through your backpack to remove your laptop from your carry-on when you're trying to get through the TSA. Well, Standard Luggage has that covered too. There's a separate sleeve here that includes a detachable laptop and iPad cover. It's all compact in one. Obviously, it gives you a ton of additional cushioning for your electronic devices, but even more so, it makes it really easy to remove, so you're not digging through your bag just to find your laptop to take it out. It unclips super easily, and it clips right back in when you're ready to put it away. In that very same sleeve, there are 2 additional mesh pockets for any attachments you might have. We all know how much Apple loves their extra attachments, especially for those who frequently edit video or audio. So many attachments. Well, now you can keep them all contained in one place. Standard Luggage also includes a duffel strap for those who prefer a single shoulder strap that easily attaches to the outside of the bag. Just when you think they covered every possible detail, this bag comes equipped with a Rainfly to give you some extra cover when traveling through those countries in full swing of their rainy season. But one of my favorite features, and what I think is just a big old cherry on top, is that they include a second color option to customize the aesthetic of your bag. All the attachments on the zippers and the handles can transform to make whatever you want, I guess. Thanks for dropping in to take a look at this incredible bag. We're dying to know what you think, so be sure to give us a piece of your mind in the comments section below. Don't be shy. Everybody's doing it. If you haven't already, check out the RYOutfitters membership where you can save a ton on gear from amazing brands just like Standard Luggage. You can find the link with all the details below in the description. That's it for now, and stay tuned for another RYOutfitters First Look coming at you next week.